right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're going to be doing some light reading inside of our Moccasin module. So as soon as the poll is up, we're going to dive right into where we left off yesterday. The last thing we went over yesterday was importing our PyTest. So notice the first thing we are going to do is import the PyTest module. This is because fixtures are a part of the PyTest framework. Once we add our import, we may see an error line under the PyTest import. This is because we haven't added the PyTest module to our project TAML file. To fix this, we need to add PyTest to our dev dependencies and the project.taml file. Here's how we can add PyTest to that file. We will say uv add PyTest. Now this command will add PyTest to our dev dependencies. Now this is one option we can take to add PyTest to our project. Since Moccasin has built-in support for PyTest, we can also add it directly using Moccasin. We will say mocks add dev PyTest. This command will also add PyTest to our dev dependencies. Now that we have added PyTest to our project, the error line under our import should go away once we have the file saved, if we haven't already. Now we can create a fixture to deploy the contract. The next step is to create a fixture function that will deploy the contract for us. Now we're going to be right there for right now. Like I said, it's just going to be some light reading, and tomorrow we're going to pick back up from where we left off tonight. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.